In the previous video, we understood the ribbon in AutoCAD 2027. We saw that the ribbon is the main toolbox where most drawing, editing, annotation, layer, and property tools are located. Now, in this video, we move to the next part of the AutoCAD interface, the File tab. The File tab is a small area, but very useful because it shows which drawing file is currently open. It also helps us to switch between different drawings when multiple files are open. Hi, I'm Dipan and welcome back to Cadelyx. AutoCAD 2027 made simple. Let's understand the File tab in a simple way. Look just below the ribbon and above the drawing area. Here, you will see the tab with the name of the current drawing file. This is called the File tab. For example, if your drawing files are named Villa 1, Villa 2, Villa 3, and Villa 4, you will see the name on the tab. This helps you to quickly identify which drawing you are currently working on. The File tab is useful because AutoCAD allows us to open multiple drawings at the same time. For example, you may have one drawing for the floor plan, another drawing for a furniture layout, and another drawing for electrical layout. When all these drawings are open, AutoCAD shows them as a separate file tabs. This works just like the tabs in a web browser. In Google Chrome, you can open multiple websites in the different tabs. In AutoCAD, you can open multiple drawings in the different tabs. So instead of closing one file and opening another file again and again, you can simply click File tab and switch between the drawings. The File tab that is currently selected is called Active Drawing tab. This means that this is the drawing you are working on right now. This is important because if you have multiple drawings open, you need to make sure you are editing in the correct file. Before you draw, erase, move, or save anything, quickly check the File tab and confirm that the correct drawing is active. This simple habit can help you avoid mistakes. You may also see a tab called Start. The Start takes you back to the AutoCAD Start screen or Welcome screen. From here, you can create a new drawing, open an existing drawing, or access the recent files. So if you want to go back to the Welcome screen without closing AutoCAD, you can click to the Start. When you create a new drawing, AutoCAD may give you the default name like Drawing 1, Drawing 2, or Drawing 3. This usually means the file has not been saved with the proper name yet. Once you save the drawing, AutoCAD will show you the save file name on the File tab. For example, if you save the file as a houseplan.dwg, then the File tab will show that name. So if you see the default name like Drawing 1, it is a reminder that you should save the file with the proper name. On the File tab, you may see a small X button. This X button is used to close the drawing. If you have made the changes and drawing is not saved, AutoCAD usually asks if you want to save before closing. So don't panic if you accidentally click close. AutoCAD normally gives you a warning, but still, always build this habit. Before closing any drawing, save your work. You can use Save icon, the application menu, or simply press Ctrl S. Now let's understand one simple difference. The title bar shows the software name and the current drawing file named at the top of the screen. The File tab shows open drawings as a tabs and helps you to switch between them. So the title bars give you information. The File tab helps with navigation between open drawings. Both are useful, but they have different purposes. So let's summarize the File tab. The File tab is located below the ribbon and above the drawing area. It shows the name of the drawing file that is open. It helps you to switch between multiple open drawings. The Active tab shows the drawing you are currently working on. The Start tab takes you back to the Welcome screen. Default names like Drawing 1 usually means the file has not been saved with the proper name yet, and the small X on the tab can be used to close the drawing. Before we move to the next video, do the small practice. Open AutoCAD and create new drawing. Look at the File tab and notice drawing name. Now open another drawing or create one more new drawing. You can see the multiple tabs. Click between tabs and notice how AutoCAD switches from one drawing to another. Then save the drawing with the proper name and check how file name changes on the tab. You don't need to do anything complicated. Just become comfortable with switching between open drawings. So this was the File tab in AutoCAD 2027. As a beginner, just remember that the File tab helps you to identify the open drawing and switch between multiple drawings easily. It may look small part of the interface, but becomes very helpful when you work on the real projects with more than one file. In the next video, we'll move to the biggest and most important part of the AutoCAD workspace, the drawing area. The drawing area is where we can create, edit, zoom, pan, and work around the actual AutoCAD drawing. So in the next lesson, we'll understand the drawing area in a simple way. I'll see you in the next lesson.